Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to fix Instagram story music not working. First of all, for this, you need to check if your Instagram is updated to its latest version or not. For this, go to your Google Play Store and search for Instagram and open your Instagram. If you have open button here, it means you have a latest version of Instagram. So go and open your Instagram app. Now here you need to go to your profile, lower right corner, then go to three lines, upper right corner, and after that go to settings and privacy. Then scroll down and go to the option of help. Here you need to tap on report a problem, and then you can include a file or you can simply go without including. I will go to the second option, don't include, and continue. And here explain your problem briefly, like I will explain, and then tap on send. In a couple of days you will get a feature, and if it doesn't work for you, then you can just wait for a few days or a few weeks or a few months, because new features take some time to roll out all over the world. So you may get this feature automatically in a few days. Another fix you can try, you can go to your Play Store, then go to Instagram and uninstall the Instagram app. Uninstall and reinstall, and it may fix this problem for you. That's it from today's video, guys. If you're new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.